lot since I started this program because my attendance has gone from basically me dropping out to 100%. And I don't know, I feel like I have just came out of a hole that I fell into when I dropped out of school. So I see a clearer future for myself.
At my other school, the teachers were more higher up and there's more like authority. Here I feel like it's more of a family and there is some authority, but it's more controlled and they care for you and your career after Youth Build.
Alright, so this is the What's Your Garden. We started this probably in September. We cleaned up all the debris around here and then we started building these greenhouses. And the flowers and like all the plants they have are for like charity, well not charities, but like maybe senior citizens and like other like things where you need flowers, like maybe a wedding, and it's like a non-profit that they give out flowers and plants for stuff like that.
Youth Build offers different types of opportunities, like the chance to get internships, to do certain things that you might want to try new, or just something that you want to do and you want to learn more about. Or you can go on tours to different colleges in Rhode Island and get your high school diploma.
Low income housing neighborhood is, I've always seen kids playing in the neighborhoods on the streets, and I've also been one of those kids that I've also to look for joy and happiness and look for adventure and fun. We would have to go outside to look for it and create it ourselves. And I feel like with this program, we were able to fill up those gaps and have those kids learn something that would help them in the future.